Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive. Hello, super learners! Welcome back to my Sprunki. Today, we are going to draw and color NumberBlock Sprunki 2. Are you ready? Let's start. First, draw a big rectangle. This will be Sprunki's head and face. Now, draw a long shape under the rectangle. This part is called the body stem or body base. It helps Sprunki stand tall and strong. Now let's move to the face. First, draw the glasses. Now let's draw the mouth. First, draw a smiling curve. Draw two eyes, big circle. Inside it, draw a smaller circle. Inside that, draw a tiny dot. Wow! Sprunki looks happy. Check your drawing. Do you have head, body stem, eyes, smile, tongue? If yes, your drawing is complete. Fantastic! Coloring time! Now it's time to color. First, pick black. B-L-A-C-K. Color the pupil inside the eye. Color the inside mouth area. Color carefully. Stay inside the lines. Great job! P-U-R-P-L-E. Color the glasses, both frames and sides. Looking stylish.
Numbers every single day. Count and learn wherever you are. Sprunki songs will take you far. Numbers shining, here we stay. Learning grows in every way.
Now pick pink. P-I-N-K. Color the smile outline. Nice and neat. Now pick dark pink. D-A-R-K-P-I-N-K. Color the tongue inside the mouth. Beautiful! Now pick orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Color the whole body. Main rectangle, lower body. Fill it smoothly and evenly.
Our hearts aglow, count with joy. One by one, numbers make learning fun. 4 and 5 and 6 so bright. 7, 8 all day and night. Sprunki sings and we repeat, counting steps with dancing feet. Wave your hands up to the sky, numbers flying oh so high. Sprunki smiles, we shout hooray, learning numbers every day. 1, 2, 3 and here we go, counting fast, now count slow. Jump and shout, 9 and 10, let's Big Ben again. Numbers growing feels so cool. Learning makes you bright in school. Count with friends, count with me. Sprunki time is number spree. 1 by 1, 11, 12. Numbers make our minds evolve. Sprunki song.
Wow! NumberBlock Sprunki 2 looks amazing. Learning time. Let's learn together. This is number 2. 2. Say it with me. 2. T-W-O. 1, 2. Great counting! Fantastic work, super learners! Today, you drew NumberBlock Sprunki 2, colored carefully, learned number 2. I am so proud of you. Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo. See you next time for more fun adventures.